All right, guys, we are back. We have 9:30 market open in just under 30 minutes. It's 9:04 right now. So, um, market's ranging right now. I'm gonna be 1,000% honest with you. Let me show you main screen. Back within values. So we're gonna see what happens at market open. If we stay within value, I'm just gonna sit and watch price, see what we do when we get down here to the extremes, aka our pre-market lows. So yeah, this is definitely our area of interest right here where we see this volume. You guys can see overnight on the overnight, or actually I'm lying. Last night, we had a breakthrough here on this area with some good volume. We had 140 bids as well as 120 bids that pushed this market up. We then came back to this area, retested with 182 sell contracts that just did not get rewarded. Same thing happened around this time. We didn't see too much heavy volume, but the level is there. So for now, price is within volume. Our high of, yeah. So this is yesterday's high, 64.82. Our current session high is around the 70s. So right now we're within value. Our value area high is sitting just literally at the 62s for the day. So let's see what happens if we continue break out above value and see buyers hold. We'll look to take price up. If not, we'll see what happens within value. So we got about 25 minutes till market open. So let's see what happens. So confused. Is it opening? No, we'll worry about that later. There it goes.
what you're going to do to start is you're going to take and build your scene as we have.
I might have to do this later. Ba-da-ba-ba. And we're getting some decent size tape here. I do not trade pre-market.
Here.
What's up, guys? It's a pain in the ass to have that right there. Small bids. Got 10 minutes till market open. This is ES book map. Ugh. All right, guys, we got market open. No, let's see what happened. Connected. I should disconnect it for a second. Oh. Get some selling stepping in here. See if I can show you guys. See some decent selling stepping in here after this buy open. Still watching it. Want to see what happens. Strong bind. Aggressive bind. Stepping back in. Only yes. Yeah. Buyers are definitely here. Where do you? We are seeing ES struggle a little bit here at this high at what, 64, 63. Oh. Appreciate the likes. Thank you for the taps. Go hard. Sellers still defending this area up here. If we could get a fake out of these lows down to the POC. Still a little early though, we're only 3 minutes in. Appreciate the taps. I just gave you a follow. It's like buyer trying to break above. If we can break above these, call it, what are these, 62s? Yeah. See if we can get a break above and a hold. Just might break with aggression. We want to take it here? No. Let's see, here comes a break. 161. Ooh, big seller. Let's see. Damn, this might be a good buy position right here. Yeah, this big seller did not get paid. These 200 orders. Yeah, I'm gonna take this buy. Yeah, there's the buyer. There's some more buyers. There's the high. Let's see what happens. Let's see if we can hold down here. Alright, let's see if we get a fake out. Hello. If we can see some absorption down here. This is what I'm looking for on ES. I would like to see a pullback and absorption down here where these buyers initiated. If we can see some selling absorption down here and some buyers stepping in, I'll take this trade. If not, we'll sit back. We're getting some good volume in here, so. Yeah, there's the buy. There's that push out that I was talking about. Yeah, this price action is ugh. This fake out breakout. Yeah, look at the strong seller. All right, let's see if they hold down here. Sellers are getting aggressive. Strong selling. PLC shift up to the 59s. This is looking pretty good. Let's see if we can get that absorption. Wow. All right, let's see. Wow. Oh my God. That shit flew without us. Fuck. Yeah. Damn. I just called that, guys. Y'all saw that. Look. Came down to the 58. Immediately back up to those highs. It's alright. If we were in this though, that would have been nice. Well, it's already playing out. Let's see what happens. Let's see if they break it here. I think they're gonna give it a shot here. And it's just so hard to take a position here. Now, look at that breakout! Oh my god! Look at it breaking out. Talked about an entry here. It just happened so fast. What? No, it's not a good play. Yeah. Now we sit back and watch because that play is happening without us. It's a 6 for entry. Yeah, we got a nice break above here. This is what our original play was looking like. We just weren't able to enter, fortunately. This just happened so fast. This is what we were looking for. This pullback, though, happened ridiculously fast. We weren't able to enter it, and we're just going to let it ride without us. So. It is what it is. We have yesterday's high at the 80s. Oh my god, what the fuck? Look at that. Look at this buy. What the fuck? Damn. Yeah, look at this. Look at this breakout up. God, that would have been... That's alright. Is it though? Oh my god, we missed this shit. Oh my god. These 40s. Let's see if they hold. This is not a good place to take a trade though. Let's go hold and continue up, but where do we take a good RR trade? Down here. All this volume, 69s. If we get down here, which is going to be the problem. Our buyer's going to give up this. Hold on, you guys can't see it. I got y'all. Hold on. Our buyer's going to give up all this buying activity. Y'all see? Look at this. That's one big buyer. It's only $9.50. I'm going to let market sit for a little bit. especially after that big buy, bro. I don't know about taking an LVN play here though, especially after a big buyer like that. I want price to settle so I can get better RRs. It could definitely 100% work out from the 80s, but you know, seller's gonna come in here and test this, right? Yeah. Oh, I forgot something happened. See, I told you. Sellers are gonna come test this area. I'm saying. Saying for now. That'd be a good line. I mean, it's working out. It's still buying, but I'm not gonna be in that. Yeah, that's a W trade. It's all right. Oh, what are we gonna see here? Oh, no, that. I just see this coming back. I don't see this, and I don't want to take one. That was it. Easy peasy. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Nice little thing. W. Nice little W. It is. Whoa. Alright, let's see if we can get into an opportunity around here. Honestly, what I'm looking for is the 75s. If we could come down towards these 75s and hold above, I'll take a position down here. But it's looking too good though. That's the problem. Like this order is gonna get tested. Nah, they're bigger than we thought. It's holding. Buyers pushing price back up. Damn. Damn. Whew. At the 80s. I don't know. They might try to run it up. Let's see. Let's see if they struggle here. Or if they push right through these 90s. We don't have anything on Bookmap, which is a little concerning. And we have jobs at 10. In 1 minute. So, let's see what happens. No trades yet today. Oh, there's a nice little breakout. 131 cons. It's gonna be a fake out back down towards these lows. Oh, yeah. Looks like sellers are gonna take this back down. Tape is starting to pick up. You guys can see how those bubbles are loading in and coming in faster. That means the tape is picking up. You can see on the side as well. Over here. Are we gonna get this breakout? Buyers are struggling here. They're wanting to take it up, but they're struggling a little bit. I still think sellers are gonna take this back. Yep, here they come. Slowly bringing price down. Let's see if they can. Oh, strong buy. Sellers are still giving an effort up here at these highs. Girth. All right, here come the sellers. Bringing price back down. Let's see how far they get. 150 buyers. Good selling. My buy entry is at the 75s. I need to see these sellers get absorbed down at these 75s to re-enter for these longs. You need to see this LVN tested and held. I'll be right back, guys. All right, looks like sellers. Alright, this is the area that I'm looking for ES to pull into and hold these 74, 75s. So I want to see a fake out, grab some orders down here, and instant pull back up. So his ass. This fucking guy. Fucking Alright, we see price coming down. I want to see it kind of establish a little bit of resistance here, and then a fake out down into this area for an entry up. So, see what happens. There's a little bit of resistance. Now I need a fake out below those 79s. I need a fake out for my entry. Yeah. Back within. Okay. There you go. Establish some sort of support a little bit. There you go. Establishing a little bit of support here. Need a fake out dump. Still watching it. I need to see that dump of sells. Need sellers to give this another big attempt before buyers step in. This is good though. Patience. If it doesn't give us our entry, we're not taking it. It's simple as that. I need that 75. And I need that sell fake out. We have buys down here, but I still need a strong seller to step in and try to push this lower. I want to see more. Damn, it didn't give it to us. It did not give it to us, guys. Wow, look at that. 76. It held around. I still think we can come back. Yeah. So I don't think this is ready. I'm still going to give this a little bit of time, see if we can come into these 74, 75s before continuing this push up, guys. So keep watching it on Bookmap. All right, let's see if we can get this fake out, push down. back into the zone. Back into these 80s. Come on. Give us a nice breakdown. I don't like that buyers are holding here. I'm not liking the amount of buying in this area. Showing us that buyers are not getting paid. They are attempting, but they're not getting paid. If we could see a breakdown in a stronghold, I'll take a buy up down here, but I'm just not loving it right now. Okay. I might say cash. I'm just not liking this setup right now. There it goes. Get down 275. Come on. Get... Fuck. Then give it to me. I give it to you. You give it to me. Na, 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 na. I said I give it to you. Fuck. It just didn't get to my zone. That was my entry though. That's what we were waiting for. Something like that. Let's see if they try it one more time. I give it to you. You give it to me. Na, 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 na. Na, 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 na. Na, 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 na. Na, 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 na. Still cash. Haven't taken any positions on here. We didn't get down to my area. If we would have touched the 75s, I would have bought. But wow, buyers are just so strong here. RR is just not there anymore. Fuck! Look at that. Exactly what we were waiting for. To the T. Now look at these buying showing up. I wanted it a little further than that though. Fuck. Yeah, no, I'm not gonna take this. I'm gonna sit cash. Look. Look at this. Look at this. This was our entry zone. What? Like, look at our entry zone. Oh my god. Bruh. I'm still saying. The thing is now, sellers can, yeah, because look, we pulled up to here. I'm going to say cash, guys. I'm just not liking this at all. Look. So, pulled up to this initial selling break, and we are starting to defend aggressively. So, if buyers give all this back up, we bring price back down towards this value, and sellers get aggressive again. I definitely see this taking out these 75, 76s. This was definitely our entry. I wanted to see this run a little bit more, see if we can get another breakout above, but it's not looking great right now. Let's see what happens. Unless we hold aggressively down here with these buys, but I don't see it happening. Like, look at this selling. Wow. Wow. Oh, look at this sell. Now they're gonna smash through my entry zone. Let's see. It can still work out. Let's see what happens down here. This tape just got so aggressive. Oh no, wait, no mames, wait, look at this. Alright, let's see. I think they got far enough down on that one. See if they failed to hold themselves here. Yeah. I just don't like this RR. It's just, oh my god. Oh my god. These are tough markets to watch. I still think we can head up towards the upside. Just a lot of tape. A lot of movement. Still some big selling in here. Oh. Decent buying. Yeah, we are pushing up. Let's see if we can get a re-entry down here. Buyers being very aggressive. It's gonna run without us, boys. A lot of mines stepping in here. There it goes. They're trying it. Just don't like this area for an entry. Goodbye. It's just board it out. They're gonna take this back with that volume. See if that volume can get approved up top. This buying is dying down and getting absorbed. I think we might try to do a reversal back towards initial value at these highs. It's just hard to call it because this big buyer's trying very aggressively appearing it's getting rejected. Should we try it? Fake out. Oh. Back towards these lows. I kind of want to try to get some stuff in here. See if we can get another decent buy absorption. See the cells up here outside of volume. Up here. And just see if we can bring this back within value. Yeah. Let's take a short hand. Let's see how fake. Come on. There we go. Yeah. It's don't touch this value down here. 1 to 3. If once we get towards the 83s, we'll go break even. If we can get down towards these 83s. See the selling get aggressive here. I don't want to see the buyers step in. All right, guys, I'm in this short. All right, I want to see a fake out above these highs, maybe a little bit of an attempt before returning back towards this initial buying volume down here, guys. So I'm looking for about a 1 to 4R. I'm in with 3 contracts at the 93.25s. So see what happens. I need to see the sellers. Yeah, this is looking good, honestly. I'm going to hold this. If we can see price start trending down towards the 80s, we'll go break even on it. I mean, with 3 contracts, risking 750. All right, let's see if sellers can get aggressive. We need to see sellers getting aggressive here. That's good. I need to see price at the 80s before going break even, guys. As you can see, guys, I'm in here. 3 contracts from the 93s. All right. Get below these 90s. I'm going to start closing risks just because price has already moved away from my entry, guys. I'm going to start closing risk down to the 95s. So, all right, let's see if we can see some continued selling. There's some selling. It's looking real nice so far. We have to get down to our POC at the 83s before I go break even, guys. A good amount of selling. Start closing risk a little bit more. All right, there's some good selling. I'm gonna go break even on this, guys. Here, I'll show you guys. I'm gonna go ahead and close risk, go a little bit under break even. And like I said, guys, TP is down at the 75. So see if we can get some continued selling on here. This is a risk-free trade already, so. We are seeing some buying step in, so we do see some buying here, 233. As long as this buying can get defended and we can stay below this. As long as we can stay below this, this could look like a good trade to hold on to. We do need to see sellers stay below this price, though. If we start giving this up, this could turn around, head to the upside. So A little bit of buying. See if it gets rewarded or if it gets held. And it fucking ticked me. So that's my stop, guys. Break even on this trade. Break even. So, wow. All right, let's see what happens. Let's see if buyers hold this market. Yeah. So, I'll break even on that one, guys. Let me show you guys. I'll break even. We did see some buying step in here. As I said, guys, if buyers can get above here, it's most likely we're going to head back towards price, which is why we're break even. Not bad. Not a bad trade for the day. First trade of the day. We're going to let it ride. This could continue or it could bounce up. We're going to see what happens, but not a bad trade. Not a bad trade. Wow, this thing is, wow, it ticked us out, guys. Look at this bullshit. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this on Trade of 8. Like, what a tick. Oh my gosh. Look at that. Could have held the original stop loss, guys, but this has been some aggressive buying down here. We haven't been able to break. Damn, this is, wow, look at this. Look at this fucking play. Let me show y'all. Look at this. Oh, that's some bullshit. Guys, I can't make this shit up. You can't make this up, man. Like, look at this. We're about to hit TP. We're literally about to hit TP. Why? And that TP was beautiful too. Our TP was 75. Let's see if we would hit it. Beautiful selling absorption down here. That could just rip right through. See if we would have hit TP, guys. We probably would have got trailed out right there if I'm being 1000% honest. Yep, and that would have been TP, guys. Wow. That would have been a beautiful trade if it didn't come back and just take us out. Should we have left wrist open? No. Absolutely not. It is what it is. Literally, guys. There's no cap in my rap. Take that. 70. Oh no, would we have hit TP? Still, we'd still. Honestly, I probably would have closed it, but we're right at it. Now, let's see. Are these buys going to work out? If they can't get below here, these buys could work out, but ugh. Do we want to chase these buys? Whoa. Well, look at a buyer show up there. Look at a buyer show up there. Let's see. We'll take these buys. That strong buyer at this level. This was the buy that we were looking for all morning. Let's see. We got to get a good entry, though. I don't want it up here. Absolutely do not want it up here. There's some selling. Come on. Give us that fake out sell. Grab those orders. Hey, there it goes. Come on. Grab more orders. Grab more orders. No, no, no. I need a bigger sell than that. I need a way bigger sell than that. If we get a big sell. Bigger sell attempt. Come on. Bigger sell attempt. Bigger sell attempt. Come on. There it goes. We'll give it 4 points. Alright, guys. I'm going to buy down here. Literally got the 74s. Damn, that might be a little tight. Alright, let's see. Yeah, this might be a little tight. Unless we can fucking jump up from here. Yeah, no. I'm gonna try it very, very low risk down here. This has to go straight into profit. Let me show you guys. Very, very low risk. I want to see if we can start trending up. If we start trending up, I'll hold this. If not, I'm going to close it. I need to see big buying here. That looks good. Need to see aggressive buying here to hold this. I like this selling. Absorption down here. I'll show you guys. It needs to hold though. That is just so tight. You know what? I'm gonna give myself just a little bit more. That's all there is. I'm gonna give myself on this. Yeah, it's gotta hold. Which I don't think it will. Oh my God. Is it gonna hold? I don't want to open. Is it gonna take me out? No. Try it one more time. Just because that was disgusting. If it doesn't go immediately into profit, I'm gonna close it. I need to see buying. There's some buying. There's the buying. This needs to continue. All right, if this stays above, this could work. Oh. Let's see. I like that turnaround. We're gonna have to hold this for a little bit, see if we can get some buying. Aggression here. This could be a little early, but I do not want to see price back down here. Buying back into towards value. See what happens. Show you guys bookmark real quick. And I'm out break even on that. So that's 2 break evens and 1 loss today. Down a little over $1,300. Sorry, guys. That selling. Woo! Aggressive. Yep, so this one got hit break even. I was actually in it a little lower around here, but oh no, I'm lying. That's 2 stops. 2 stops, 2 break evens. We're gonna give this about 10 more minutes before I call it a day. Yeah, this selling was just aggressive as fuck. The original, the sells up here would have been money. It's so annoying that I got ticked out. So annoying that I got ticked out. But it is what it is, so fuck it. I gave this too many tries. I should have taken my 1 break even and called it. Or 1 loss, whatever the fuck it was. Yeah, these sells from the top. All right, guys, I'm gonna call it a day there. Like I said, how many positions we take? We're down on the account. I'll show you guys. I'm transparent. I don't yell, but all right, we are down on the account. A little over 1,300 for the day. So it is what it is. All right, guys. I will see you guys tomorrow.